How long does a GoPro Hero 4 silver battery last? Even under ideal circumstances, using video modes that use the least power, the best you can hope for is under 2 hours for a fully charged battery in the GoPro Hero 4. In real-world use, you're more likely to get something closer to around 1 hour. If you leave the Wi-Fi on, you'll get less. Can I leave my GoPro charging all night? The GoPro camera will turn off the red light when fully charged. It's actually not considered a good idea to keep a lithium battery plugged in at all times, as they only have a limited amount of charging cycles. The best way to preserve your battery is to fully charge it and then remove it from the camera. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.